Hey, my name is Phil from legitmarketingreviews.com, and the day has finally come, the beginning of Sumoday. Now, if you don't know what Sumoday is, every year AppSumo has a big sale where they showcase some brand new products to the market, and you can also get them on lifetime deal at a great rate. Now, this day has just started today, which is 11th of July, and it is going to run for 4 days. So what I'm going to do is jump behind the screen, show you what deals are on and which ones I think are an absolute steal. Okay, let's get straight into the good stuff. Here is the Sumoday faves that they have created. Now, just before I get into it, there is also the 10K contest if you want to join. They're giving away 10K cash as well as an iMac Studio and a bunch of other software. So if you want to join it, I've also left a link down below. So here are the 14 products that have been most recommended. As you come down, you will know they are quite different in terms of the industries and type of software they are. So let me just quickly go through the ones that I think are going to be worth your time. So first of all, there is Upcoach. If you are a coach and you have less than 100 clients, which most people probably do, Upcoach looks like a pretty interesting platform. If you haven't got any software right now, this might be the perfect type of platform to actually host all of your different coaching clients inside of one place. Now, inside here, you can host everything from meetings, agendas. You can also track their habits, add to-do sheets, add worksheets, everything inside of one place. If we scroll down, you can see you're allowed also one team member and have up to 100 clients. There is option for 2-tier stacking, which is going to allow you also to have unlimited clients, a custom domain and custom logo. Once again, there is a 60-day money back purchase. So if you wanted to check it out, it's probably worth getting. You can always refund if it's not right for you. So next on the list, I believe, is this tool called Synthesys. Now, I actually purchased the lifetime deal, which wasn't on AppSumo about 2 years ago. It was really expensive, so I'm really surprised to see this platform on AppSumo. So let's have a look what they can offer. As you can see, it is one of these deep fake sort of AI text-to-speech kind of softwares, and it is really affordable considering the limits you get. There's 300 realistic voices, 70 different languages, plus you have different avatars you can use as well. Now, just to let you know, you're allowed up to 12-minute long videos if you want to have the AI voiceover, and if you come down, you can also have 30 videos per month using the avatars or 100 voiceover onlys. So if you want to get that, you can get it for $69, or if you want unlimited, which is very surprising to see. I'm a little bit peeved with what I paid, but you're going to save a ton of money by just getting it at a $179 price point. Once again, 60-day money back guarantee. Now, my third recommendation for Sumoday is going to be for those who like to data scrape, and that is using a tool called Browse AI. Now, I absolutely love the comments in this page because people are talking about how they told their wife they would buy no more lifetime deals. However, they've gone ahead and bought this one. This reminds me of a scraper called Gresper, which actually starts at $50 per month. So you can get this scraping tool starting at just $98 per lifetime. But basically what it allows you to do is quickly come onto different types of pages you want to collect data for. Simply click on the elements you want to download, and it's going to go ahead and create repeatable scraping processes. So if you were to extract lots of data, you can simply create the automation processes, and it can go ahead and start scraping for you different pages in the same sort of formats. So it's a really cool tool if you've ever done scraping before. Makes it nice and easy. Plus they do integrate with a lot of different platforms. Really exciting to see the webhook inside of here. So I'm going to have to get it to play around with it. And just to let you know, the allowances, you can have 10 robots on a single plan with 2,500 credits per month. I'll be interested to see how much credits you actually use, but if you want unlimited robots, you're going to need the double, and you can stack it all the way up to 8 codes, which is going to give you 20,000 credits per month. Now, number 4 on the list is going to be this one here, which is Melon. Now, Melon has been on AppSumo before. You can see there's already quite a few reviews on here. Interestingly enough, it's the only one that has the offer ends in 4 days banner there, so I'm not sure if the rest are going to stay. But coming through Melon just to show you what it's about. It is a live streaming platform, so it's a great alternative to StreamYard if you don't want to pay for a monthly subscription. And basically what it allows you to do is to shoot one video and then stream to multiple different platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and Twitter. So it's really cool. You can also invite collaborators to the videos, and you can also add things like comments on top of your videos as well as adding in live stream banners. So it's pretty straightforward what it does. You can stream up to 1080p. You can add in green screens and everything like that. So it's very straightforward, and there's only option for one type of pricing, and that is tier 1. You'll get 12 participants max. You can have unlimited streaming to multiple destinations. You can have 10 hours recording time plus 30 days of recording storage. So it's all there if you want to check it out. I'd highly recommend it if you're thinking about live streaming. And then finally, number 5 for the Sumoday recommendations is Fastpages. Now, personally, I haven't tested this out yet. However, it looks very promising. So if you are someone that needs to create some landing pages, if you're wanting to collect some leads, if you're wanting to automate a few processes, Fastpages might be worth a look. Now, if you come down, you can see there is different types of automations and integrations inside of it. What I like about this platform is how you can easily map your different fields to your autoresponder. It looks like it gives you a few more options versus the regular integrations. And once of all, there is some very good limits for even the lowest tier, which is 100,000 views per month, as well as 5 domains and 5 users. There is plenty inside of there. And if you're running it for clients, you could also get the workspaces option on tier 2 and above, and you can work your way all the way up to tier 5, which is going to give you unlimited of everything. Now, some features that they look like they pride themselves on is hosting with SSL and CDN plus rocket fast landing pages. So I assume this is quite a fast landing page builder. You can also integrate with Stripe and Zapier. So there is different ways you can use this tool. It looks like you can even take payments. So it looks like a very promising platform, but that is it. That is my 5th recommendation for Sumoday. What I'm going to do right now is jump behind the screen. Just want to talk about a little something else. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That is my top 5 recommendations for Sumoday. As you can see, they've brought some new tools to the market, which I think are actually pretty cool. 2 have actually been listed before, but the other 12 I've never seen or heard of. So I'm excited to see what we can do with them. Anyway, that's it from me, guys. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't joined the 10K giveaway, make sure you check it out. It's going to be a very lucky person who wins all of that. But apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and if you haven't yet, hit subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.